Good morning, fifth grade. It is Wednesday. We're going to read chapter 16 today. We're going to do it together. So feel free to hop on to our Hangouts at 9 or 1. We're going to read chapter 16 together. Don't forget to take notes. We are coming towards the end of this book. So make sure if you are not read through 16, make sure that you get to that point. That way you can finish the book with the class. If you're struggling to get caught up, let me know. I'd be happy to read with you over the phone. If you're a little bit behind or if you need help with chapter notes, just let me know. Your fifth grade memory is due today. So make sure that it's done. Make sure it's turned in. You are going to start the last writing assignment of the year. Can you believe it? And this last assignment is going to be a letter that you are actually going to write to yourself. So you'll go here to Google Classroom to the assignment. You'll open up a Google Doc. This link here is going to take you to an instruction page that also gives an example. So I'm going to show you this page and walk you through it really quickly. You're going to be writing a letter to your future self. So what's going to happen is you're going to write this letter. We're going to put it in an envelope. Actually, I'm going to print it, put it in an envelope. And then in 7 years, when you are getting ready to graduate from high school, I'm going to mail you this letter. So you'll have a little note to yourself from fifth grade you. This letter is going to have 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph is going to be all about your life now. So you're going to tell your future self things that you like to do, who your friends are, all of those fun things, everything about yourself now. And this is all written down here where I did this example letter. So I'll go over format in just a second, but that's going to be your first paragraph. So all about yourself now. Your second paragraph is going to be who you hope to be, what you hope your life is going to look like in the future. And that can be where you hope to be when you graduate from high school or even after that, maybe where you want to go to college or what you hope to be when you grow up. Obviously, those things might change, but it's kind of fun to look back and see the hopes and dreams that you had when you were younger. So tell me all of those things. Also, tell me about the kind of person that you want to be when you grow up. That'll all be in your second paragraph. So this is how you're going to format your letter. You're going to have the date, whatever date that you start working on this letter can be up there in the corner on the right. You're going to have Dear Marley or Dear Future Marley, Dear Senior Marley, whatever you want to do. It'll be your name. You'll write 2 paragraphs and then you'll have your closing. Love and then from you. You can do that however you want. Make sure that you format it Times New Roman, 14-point font. Make sure you double space. Make sure you come and check this example. When you go to write your paper, make sure that you come here and double check, make sure that you've done all of those things correctly. This is going to be kind of a fun assignment. Make sure that you take some time and actually put some thought into this because it will be fun in 7 years from now when you're graduating from high school to get this letter. So make sure you think about that. I did ask that each paragraph be at least 10 sentences. It can be more than that. It can be as many as you want. And remember, the more you write, the more fun you're going to have reading this letter in 7 years from now. Okay? That is your new writing assignment. That will not be due until a week from Friday. So this is the last writing assignment that you have to do. Take some time. Do a good job. Put some thought into it. So that's your letter to me. Don't forget about your journal. It is free right this week, so write about whatever you want to. It can be a fictional story. You can have made up characters, or it can be a true story. You can tell me about your weekend, tell me about your summer plans, tell me about whatever you want. Your hangout for tomorrow, or for Wednesday, today, as you're watching this, we're going to read chapter 16, and then I will answer any questions you have about that new writing assignment. Okay, so be sure that you hop on. I really appreciate those of you that take the time to come and hop on to Hangouts each day. So here's your joke for today. If you want to know the answer to it, make sure you come to Hangouts. What building in New York has the most stories? No cheating. It's a joke though. So what building in New York has the most stories? Check that out. Come to Hangouts to find out the answer. Bye guys.